Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is ascertain. It is pronounced as-er-tain and is spelt A-S-C-E-R-T-A-I-N. Before we get into today's word, if you're taking your 11 Plus exam this year, we're here to help. Visit the Exam Coach website and you can find loads of great resources from practice papers to 11 Plus planning tips. Remember to take a look at our upcoming courses and workshop schedule. On weekends and over the school holidays, we help children master their 11 Plus exam skills in order to gain entry to their first choice grammar or independent school. Now, back to today's word. Ascertain is a verb that means to make sure of or to find something out for certain. It is often used when you want to discover or confirm the truth about something. For example, you could say, the detective needed to ascertain the suspect's whereabouts. Or, the scientist conducted an experiment to ascertain the effects of the new medicine. The word ascertain comes from an old French word, ascertainer, which means to make certain. In the popular children's book series Nancy Drew, the young detective Nancy is always eager to ascertain the truth behind the various mysteries she investigates. She carefully gathers clues, interviews witnesses, and uses her sharp mind to solve puzzling cases. Synonyms for ascertain include determine, discover, find out, and verify. Antonyms for ascertain include guess, speculate, and assume. Impress your friends and family by using your new word today, ascertain. Have a top day ahead and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.